Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tradomatics pre-market index analysis on monthly expiry. Let's come to the point. Finally, Nifty sustained below 14,000. So for now, if it sustain above 14,250 to 450, then most likely it move for uptrend. Otherwise, below 14,000, it will comes down for 13,600 to 800 for reverse. Let's come to Nifty chart. So finally, after 4 days of correction, Nifty comes down below 14,000. So for now, above 14,000, most likely it will try for 14,250 to 400 zone, and above 450, it will try for 14,800 again. Otherwise, below 14,000, it will try to reverse from near 13,800. Let's come to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed near 30,000 after 4 days of correction. So for now, above 30,200 to 500, it will try to move for 31,500 plus zone. Otherwise, below 30,000, it will reverse from 29,600 to 900 zone. Let's come to Bank Nifty chart. Bank Nifty comes down till near 30,000. So for now, below 30,000, it's most likely comes down till 29,600 to 900 for reverse. Otherwise, above 30,200 to 500, it will try for 31,500 plus zone again. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading opportunity for index future. That's are for Nifty future, there have a crucial resistance for Nifty future that 14,350. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances. That's are 14,165 and 14,289. There have a crucial support for Nifty future also, that 13,729. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 13,880 and 13,800. Same as for Bank Nifty future also, that crucial resistance for Bank Nifty future is 31,289. To achieve this resistance, there have two more resistances, that's are 30,720 and 31,000. Same as there have a crucial support for Bank Nifty future also, that 29,600. To achieve this support, there have two reversal supports, that's are 29,929 and 29,750. As per my exploration, there have some intraday trading stocks with trading range and midpoint. So what is the trading range and what is the midpoint? If a stock sustain above its midpoint and it increases volume with price, then the upper range is denotes for its higher resistance to achieve with support of midpoint. Same as if a stock sustain below its midpoint with increases volume, then lower range is denotes for its reversal support with resistance as midpoint. ATGL, that Adani Total Gas Limited, that LTP is 380. Its upper range is 440 and lower range is 350. So if it sustain above its midpoint, that 375 with increases volume, then most likely it move for its upper range or upper resistance, that 440. Same as if it sustain below its midpoint, that 375 with increases volume, then most likely it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, that 350. And when it reverses from its lower range or lower reversal support, then midpoint act as its recent resistance to achieve. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. Red star mark stocks are more important for intraday trading. ATGL, that LTP is 380. Axis Bank, that LTP is 632. Godrej Property, that LTP is 1297. HDFC Life, that LTP is 682. Bharti Airtel, that LTP is 570. Hindustan Unilever, that LTP is 2391. Dr. Reddy Lab, that LTP is 4909. Kotak Bank, that LTP is 1764. LT, that LTP is 1359. SBIN, State Bank, that LTP is 275. Ultra Cement, that LTP is 5404. You can note down every stock's range with midpoint for intraday trading. If you have any kind of query about my channel, you can mail me on my mail ID, that trade.mathematics@gmail.com is my mail ID. Or you can join my Telegram channel, that link given below in video description. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future updates. Thank you viewer, thank you very much.